Okay, so Elijah, I'm bothering you a bit. We're going to a tree lighting next week.
Really?
Yeah, you remember we were supposed to go to the one, was it yesterday? Yeah, Friday, and we didn't get to go.
Yeah.
I have another one for you.
Okay.
And guess what? You get to take picture with Santa Claus.
No,
Why?
he's not real.
He's not real?
Yeah, plus he's a mockery of God.
He's a mockery of God?
Yeah, because when it says that he sees everybody and knows when they're awake, that's like what God knows.
That's what God knows?
Yeah.
So you don't think Santa Claus knows everything?
Mm-mm. And he's not even real.
You don't even want to take one picture, one photo with Santa Claus?
No.
No?
No. I know, because I don't believe in him.
Because you don't believe in him?
Mm-mm. Like, what's it called? You know how they say that he knows when you're awake and he knows when you're asleep?
Yeah.
That's what God knows. And he says that he, what's it called? Yeah, like, you know, like stuff that he says he can do, even though a man can't do that. Only God can do those stuff.
About, him delivering presents.
Well, if you just pray to him, it's like giving, it's like when you ask God for something, and then he'll say yes, and then he gives you the gift. So it's kind of like a mockery of God.
So you don't think Santa Claus fly around and give children presents?
No, no.
So what about the parents that tell their children that?
They just lie to their children so they can feel. So they make them think. They think that they what's it called? That they're making them feel good even though they're not. They're just telling lies to their children. It's not like he's real.
So you don't believe in tooth fairy and all of that?
No. Parents shouldn't be lying to their children because they're the ones who are buying presents for their children. There's no such thing as Santa Claus coming in the night. Even to prove it, you could just stay awake all night and then wait for somebody to come and wait. And first of all, how is somebody going to what's it called? Invade your home without getting arrested? That's my honest. And then second, if he ate so many cookies, he would have diabetes by now, or he would have died by now. Maybe. And I don't know how he fits through those, chimneys. Cause have you seen the size of him? I don't know if he could fit through those chimneys or a door, maybe. But you shouldn't be believing in Santa. Just what's it called? If you think that I'm lying, why don't you go stay awake all night and wait until Santa comes? But when he doesn't come, that proves that he's not real. I believe in God because he's the only person who can do all those stuff, just in a different way. I don't know if he could really just teleport into chimneys or just go through chimneys and invade people's homes. He doesn't do that.
What does he do?
He just watches everybody down. And then he's the one who actually gives you, well, if you pray to him, he'll give you the gifts.
Yeah. He provided for you, right?
Yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna teach maybe. I'll just teach to my kids when I grow up.
You just teach your kids?
Yeah, when I grow up.
Or you can tell other people about God.
Yeah.
I love you. Good job.